Yeah, there's something ominous and creepy about this lonely bench out in the middle of nowhere, basically. So, first night in the camper was good. Even with the storm that rolled through, we slept fine. Check out the view in the back. We're in the woods. So I'm not sure what's on the agenda today. But we're gonna figure that out. What are we eating?
I'm eating a Pop-Tart, and my mom is eating a peanut butter sandwich, and my daddy's eating a peanut butter banana sandwich.
So again, we're at Tickfaw State Park. This is a map of the area. We're right up in here. I think we're gonna hit up some nature trails today. There's a few of them. This is the closest one.
See, this is like the best spot right here. Look at this one. No one's here.
Yeah, we should have got this one with a deck.
I don't think this one was available though. There was limited availability.
Next time. So we're here at the Nature Center. Established in 1999. I was just 13 years old back then. Now I think there's an aquarium in the Nature Center that you can view, but I'm not sure that they're open today. Nature Center's open. If you look down here, there's a sign. It says the Great August Flood 2016 high water mark. That's taller than me. It's about 6 feet. So what is this?
I don't know.
This is a three-toed amphuma. Look, there's a crawfish in here. Look at him.
Crawfish? Whoa.
He's saying, hey.
Dad, there's turtles, you see?
Oh, there it is. I think that's the three-toed amphibia, I think it's called.
Oh my god.
And back here, there's some little turtles. What'd you see?
A big, ginormous turtle.
Whoa.
Look how big that is, Mom.
That's a big turtle. That's a snapping turtle, I think.
Dad, this is a lizard. This is a lizard pond.
I think he's camera shy.
Daddy.
Common snapping turtle. His lifespan is over 100 years.
Snakes. Snakes. Snakes.
Oh, snakes.
Snakes.
Oh yeah, look, it shed its skin. See?
Oh, it shedded it?
It shedded its skin, yeah.
Oh.
So this is what's left of an old cypress tree. These live a long time. It's a skeleton of an armadillo. Wow, very cool. Here are some different bird eggs. Of course, that's an ostrich egg. It's a very large egg. And here is a northern cardinal. I actually spotted 2 of these by our campsite. Got some taxidermy here. There's a turkey. Another turkey back here. Oh, check out that bobcat. I feel like he's gonna look at me at any second. Man, it's so realistic. See the fox?
Mm-hmm. I like foxes. Look, there's something up there.
There's a possum up there. Just hanging from the tree. So usually you could sit here, but they've blocked it off. You can see different types of snakes, all sorts of cool insects and plant life. So here we got a three-toed box turtle. Oh, that's cute.
She's so cute. I want to keep her. I just want to pet her.
So let's see if you can name all the fish.
Catfish, turtle.
Okay, let's go on this side. What's that fish? I believe that's a carp
Carp.
of some sort.
I don't know my fishes, but I only know a few.
Then back here, a little fish. Oh, there's a carp again, trying to bite my finger. Back here, Some little perch. And back here
Hey,
is a garfish.
look, there's a turtle up there.
Oh yeah, there's a turtle up here. Look, poking his little head down. Where are you going, man? I'm gonna say hello. So the nature center is closed Sunday and Monday, but the rest of the week is open 9 to 5. Not everything in this nature center is open, like the theater and a little kids section where you can sit down with the kids and look at different insects and reptiles and plant life. I think that'd be pretty cool to take your kid when it's open. But it's very cool to see something like this the whole family can enjoy in a state park. I've never been to a state park with an aquarium, so it's pretty cool. It's a cool looking mural here.
Alligator! Ah!
Now to walk down some trails. Just follow the arrows.
Yeah, just follow the arrows. Oh, down here is the crocodile.
Boardwalk very slippery when wet. It's true. My kid just took a tumble. She's okay. Got this nice, I'm not sure what it is, like a viewing area of the swamp. But you can see it's just swamp as far as the eye can see. So the gift shop's back this way. We came down. I took a left. Ended up here at the viewing area. If you continue down the path, it'll take you on a dirt trail. But we're going right down the boardwalk. Let's see where it takes us. See, I've come to a fork in the road, and I'm not sure which way my wife and kid went. I think they went this way. Yep. They're down here. Way down there.
Now you can catch rubblefish.
Found another seating area. Overlooking the swamp. It's very quiet out there. This trail is only a half a mile. We're about halfway through. Not a lot of action today. I did see 3 banana spiders, so that's something. Still very nice and peaceful out here. Stay on trail, watch for snakes. You guys stay behind me. If you see a snake, I'm gonna jump on it.
What kind of snakes are you talking about?
Probably the worst kind,
Like a rattlesnake?
maybe. I'm not sure what's out here. Could be a rattlesnake, water moccasin.
Can we walk a little faster?
Oh, you wanna walk a little faster? Not doing a great job looking for snakes. I mean, everything out here looks like a snake. Like this tree branch. That could have been a snake. So, I'm sure they're well hidden.
The short way? Yes. This is how it goes back on.
I'll continue with the trail. They're going back. Bye.
Watch out for snakes.
Okay.
You okay?
Onward. Now here's a tree branch just full of mushrooms. It's kind of wild looking. Hoping to see something wild and crazy to show you guys. Besides, you know, banana spiders, mushrooms, and mosquitoes. Oh look. More mushrooms. These are wild looking. I'm not gonna touch them, but you needed something to eat, you know. Survival, right? Yeah, again, not much action today. Still a nice getaway from this, you know, crazy world we're living in now. Looking forward to doing this more often. That makes for a good shot. Nailed it. Yeah, there's something ominous and creepy about this lonely bench out in the middle of nowhere, basically. I would sit on it, but it's all wet. Still very cool. I feel like no one's come through here in a while. Just a lot of down branches and whatnot. And I'm all by myself out here. I feel a lot of people skip this part of the trail. Oh, look, another lonely bench. Yeah, I think I can see the end of the trail here. Back to where I started. What's lurking in those swamps, I wonder? I'm sure this place is more alive at night. But you wouldn't catch me out here. Back to high ground. And we've come full circle. See, we're back to the huge viewing area here. Let's take one more look. Nothing. Just quiet. Alright, time to head back. I gotta admit, that was a nice walk. There's, I think, 2 more trails out here we may visit during our stay. And we've come full circle back to the nature center. So we're back at the pop-up. Let me show you some of the amenities included with the site. First, got your own picnic table. Sit at, have your meals if you want to. A grill. And this, I'm not sure what this is. If anyone can explain what this is used for, leave a comment below. And you have your own fire pit. So this is it. That's the site. I think next time, if we come back here, some of these sites have built-in decks. I guess because of the drop-off here. I think we may try to get one of those next time. But for our first time, it's very nice. Very quiet out here. So I was gonna say it's nice and overcast right now, but I spoke too soon. The sun just came back out. It was cool here for a few seconds. But just enjoying the outdoors. Back inside, Callissa's cooking up a storm. What are you making?
Oh, we're having vegetarian chili with some Tabasco chili starter.
First, gotta saute them onions. God, they don't want me opening this jar. My hands are all slippery now.
Did you hit it on something? You know how you're supposed to hit it?
It's too slippery. Well, we're not eating. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. So is that ready?
Yes.
Oh, look at that steam.
So how is it?
Well, I gotta run. This trip isn't over yet. There's still a lot to see here. So, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and giving it a like. And let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. And remember, do what matters to you.